So today we've got a model, we just sold the Gladiator Apex Edition. Got Josh and Matthew reinstalling the soft top. So a few of the components that we did, we removed this side molding piece here, give it a better overall aesthetic look with the top off. And so they're reinstalling this molded piece here so the door can close easily. And essentially there's 2 bolts here. And then up front we got what, 2 more bolts, Josh?
2 more.
2 more up front for this.
Front goes in first.
Front goes in first. Keep in mind, front installs first, and then the rear. 2 bolts there, 2 bolts there. Matthew's installing those bolts on the front piece also. And then we've got side piece molding. This is a soft top. So this will go on the rear section here. So the reason why we took this piece off is because you see it just looks more rigid and rugged there with that piece on there. You take this plastic piece off and take the top off, it just looks more sleek. You see the exposed frame of your top as well. So putting that back on, got these side pieces, the rear shade and the top to go on next. Okay, so next step was the side panels. Now Matthew and Josh are getting the top ready. Once you get the subframe pieces on, all bolted on, we've got the soft top for installation now. You've got 2 bolts on each side to get the support. Now you can use the soft top back like this for riding with a sunroof, Sunrider top. Very functional. Insulation is not too bad, especially if you don't remove those subframe pieces. Soft top is installed. Everything is complete except for the back piece. I would like to run it with the back piece off too for just open air environment. Slides right in, Velcros in. Nothing to it. Josh, Matthew, how would you rate the installation of this? What was the most difficult part?
Probably figuring out how to get the top where the bounded pieces were.
It's easy. I mean, much easier than previous models.
Just knowing, having your parts laid out, knowing what goes where and what bolts is
Just the order.
just the order of it. Yeah. If they
Do it once or twice.
if a customer was doing this on a regular basis, it'd be a piece of cake.
Yep.
Sweet.